Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Boom shakalaka!
Dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. I hope that you're doing amazing today. It is 5:14. It is Wednesday. Yay, fam. What is going on with the markets today, bro? Bitcoin climbing, Nvidia crossing $3 trillion, and the S&P is finally green for 2025. You already know when the charts move, we move. Soft inflation numbers just dropped and Wall Street went into full beast mode. Yes, sir. There's a lot of things happening, guys. And CPI came in lower than expected, 2.3% year over year versus 2.4%. That's all it took to send tech stocks flying. In Nasdaq futures, popping. S&P 500 breaking out. Even Bitcoin is looking like it wants to party with the bulls again. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. And wow, it is a very interesting day. Let's be real, guys. It's been chaos since Liberation Day. Tariffs, Trump headlines, AI hype. But now S&P is up over 21% from the lows. And by the way, guys, I'm reviewing all of this from these articles. So you can see stock index futures up after Nasdaq. S&P rally on soft inflation report. S&P 500 turns positive for 2025. Here are its best and worst YTD performers. And even a look at the S&P 500's wild ride since Liberation Day. Dímelo, Dark Anchor. I hope that you're doing good, my friend. Nvidia, $3 trillion club, ladies and gentlemen. That is crazy. You can see here, under Huang's leadership, Nvidia has become one of the world's most valuable companies, reaching a market cap of over $3 trillion. What time is it? It is 7:56 a.m. Uber, Palantir, and even Mosaic are flying. And yet, Kolanovic out here saying crypto is rat poison. Bro, tell that to the folks holding Bitcoin since 20K. Hot topics, guys. Nvidia CEO just made $50 million this year. And Tesla might give Elon another record-breaking pay package. Starbucks. Baristas are walking out over a new dress code? Yeah, that's what it says over here, guys. The union representing over 11,000 workers at more than 570 stores says the walkouts have occurred at more than 50 U.S. workers shouldn't need to spend money out of pocket to replace perfectly good shirts, pants, and shoes when we're already struggling to get by. What do you guys think about this? And my portfolio? I don't know. Let's just say he's waking up today, bro. In India, it's 6:27 p.m., guys. Interesting. Let me know in the chat. Are we in a fake rally or the start of something big? Drop a fire emoji if you're Team Bull, or a little skull if you still think a crash is coming. And don't forget, my new song Rockstar drops May 24th. Save the date. That's the real breakout play, guys. And go ahead and add it to your notifications, bro. I'm gonna send this to all of you. Hopefully you guys enjoy this song as much as I did creating it. Here you go, bro. Wow, 6:27 p.m. in India, bro. That's crazy. Okay, and now I want to do a video. Good morning, Betabot. Betabot en la casa. Stock market heat map. Let's go ahead and review that real quick. Wow, I did not know that, Dark Anchor. That's sad, bro. Nuclear radiation got leaked and many Pakistani soldiers got injured. Oh my god, no. That's sad, bro. And I'm over here talking about the market, bro. You can see that we had a lot of red in health technology, consumer non-durables, utilities, process industries, health services, communications, but we got some green in technology, finance, consumer durables. We got some green here and there. Let's look at the DXY real quick. So the dollar is actually gaining a little bit of strength this morning. Yesterday we did drop, but I'm still bullish, bro. I'm still bullish with the dollar. I think the dollar is gonna be good. Let me look at the AI. 42,140. Wow, bro, we are creating highs. Look. You think we will dump or sideway for what? For my lady for the next 2 days? Yeah, I don't want to see violence either, bro. That's the thing. We can take a look at my lady. Let me just take a look at everything real quick. Bro, SPX doing good. 5,886. Look at that. Well, we're definitely going up. Because look at this. RSI getting crossed over here. Nasdaq. Oh, back to the highs. Look at that. At the resistance. Will we break out of that resistance? US 100. 21,247. Look at that. It seems to me we're gonna break out of that resistance as well. US oil $63. Oil is down. And gold is at 3,184. Look at that. Gold going down, bro. Wow. Gold next support at 3,000. Yeah, we had a double top here, bro. This resistance strong. Now I think we're gonna be heading to this top or the 200 EMA. 3,000 to 200 to 2,800s. Bitcoin is at 103,122. We're gonna be retesting the all-time highs, and I think we're gonna break out of there. Ethereum is at 2,600s. You see a bullish engulfing. Just gotta keep an eye on that, because bullish engulfings, what I noticed is that they're problematic. But in some cases, as you can see, we can go up. Yeah, bro, I'm with you, bro. I don't want to see violence in the world. I don't care, bro. Like, even if you have a different political view or anything, like you just gotta agree on something, you know? What can you agree on? Staying healthy, staying alive, caring for each other, bro. Respecting each other, even though there's difference. Cardano looking good, 81 cents. I think Cardano can definitely push to 116 again. XRP is at 2.58. Getting a little bit of a pullback today. Just a tiny pullback. Bitcoin is a little bit sideways right now, so let's see. No, I'm from Puerto Rico, bro. Puerto Rico, and I live in Chicago. Yeah, we can definitely have a conversation, my bro. I mean, we're having a conversation right now. I just review the markets here, bro. The stock market, crypto market, and what is happening. So let's take a look at, you mentioned to see, what was it? My lady, USD. It's doing good, bro. It's doing good. I just want to see it above the 50 EMA. I don't know if this is the best. Let me look. 80 USD. See, Lady USDT Bybit. This is the one, right? Wow, this is looking good, man. I mean, we may have a little bit of a pullback, but the exponential moving averages are crossing, which is a golden cross for me. Bro, where do you buy this? I want to buy. Where do you buy? I'm gonna say next up will be here, bro. See if we go 100% up. Cloud9? What is Cloud9? Is that a platform? Is Cloud9 a platform to buy? Cloud9 crypto? Bro, is Beta bot? Is a bot or a human? He's a human, bro. Oh, his question. Dale. Well, I'm looking. Where do you buy this, bro? Where do you buy my lady? We look over here, Euro USD. I got some positions on this, so I do want to keep an eye on this. Okay, they're back. Okay, cool. We broke here. We're still on this minor trend line. Let's see what happens there. Use the APY. I'm actually bullish on the dollar, bro. Even though we did go down, but the exponential moving averages are crossing. Can I play Lo Que Sea? Yo, bro, most definitely I can play Lo Que Sea. It's my favorite song, bro. Actually, I don't know if you saw the live stream I did on the King David channel. But, bro, people over here in Chicago were pumped with that song, bro. I will get demonetized in this live stream because of it, but whatever. I don't get paid enough. I don't get paid enough, bro. This is my favorite song, bro. Yeah. Lo que sea lo voy a lograr, lo que sea. Nadie a mí me puede parar, lo que sea. Nunca dejaré de soñar, ni voy a aparentar, porque voy a lograr lo que sea. Lo que sea lo voy a lograr, lo que sea. Nadie a mí me puede parar, lo que sea. Nunca dejaré de soñar, ni voy a aparentar, porque voy a lograr lo que sea. Yo no voy haciendo enemigos, tengo un combo que va conmigo. Yeah, but where do I buy it? Where do I buy mi lady? Con lo que gasto mis amigos. Dicen que para triunfar muchos pies hay que pisar. No, yo no soy así, tengo otra forma de vivir. Yeah. Yo soy la mejor versión de mí, la que lo bueno quiere transmitir. Tranquilo que todo esto va a fluir, solo cosas bonitas va a sentir. Vamos para arriba, no importa quién lo escriba, disfrutemos la vida, bailemos en esta esquina, no importa quién mira. Vamos a divertirnos, la mano arriba, luchando juntos podemos unir. Vamos a divertirnos, sé que somos mucho más y lo vamos a lograr, yeah. Lo que sea lo voy a lograr, lo que sea. Nadie a mí me puede parar, lo que sea. Nunca dejaré de soñar, ni voy a parar. But I wanna know, where do you buy it, bro? Sí, Uniswap. This is a Rapid Ethereum. Nadie a mí me puede parar, lo que sea. Nunca dejaré de soñar, ni voy a parar, porque voy a lograr lo que sea. Crypto.com. Y aunque parezca imposible, todo lo podrás alcanzar. Del corazón soy combustible. How much do you get, bro? Y nunca me voy a cansar. You're still not answering my question where you bought it, bro. Divertirnos, la mano arriba, luchando juntos podemos unirnos. A divertirnos, sé que somos mucho más y lo vamos a lograr, yeah.
que sea lo voy a lograr, lo que sea, nadie a mí me puede parar, lo que sea, nunca dejaré de soñar, ni voy a aparentar, porque voy a lograr lo que sea.
No, it's not free, bro. It's like 10 Bobucks.
Lo que sea, nadie a mí me puede parar, lo que sea, nunca dejaré de soñar, ni voy a aparentar, porque voy a lograr lo que sea.
Bro, better, but you still haven't answered my question. Let's go. That song is fire, bro. That song is fire. Let me record this video, bro. Let me record this video. I don't think I got too much to say. So I want to buy my lady, but I just can't. I don't know how to do it, bro. You're not telling me. You're gatekeeping that. I don't know why, my bro. Berabad is about. He's not a bad, bro. He's not a bad. I think he's from Canada. It's not an area. It's where. Like, not the price. Like, what exchange. Okay, I think that's the best question. What exchange did you use to buy me lady? I think that. I'm so sorry I didn't specify. Yeah. That's on me, bro. That's on me. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't give you a little bit of clarity. Let me go ahead and talk about Nvidia real quick. I think I gotta do this video because, bro, I'm gonna be honest. There's people. So I know there's, like, for example, Dark Anchor. I really wish problems in the world between countries became better. We need more love. We need to be more united than ever. Because just imagine, bro, there's an alien spaceship coming up. What do we do? Do we still fight each other, or do we fight the alien? You know what I mean? I hope that things will get better in that sense. Hopefully life can get better for many people. I'm trying to be very optimistic in this time of my life. I'm just expressing that to all of you. Sometimes we got hard times, but the hard times make us remember of what we have. And hopefully you guys can see that. That's why actually I wrote a song called Regalo. It was a reminder for myself to appreciate what you got in the moment. Every second of your life is very important. So if you have somebody that you love, you know, near, give them a hug, bro. Tell them you love them. I'm trying to be more optimistic, you know. Okay, let me go ahead and do a video. I'm just gonna record a video right now, my bro, about Nvidia. I just gotta talk about Nvidia because a lot of people are looking for information about this, okay? And we're already going up, so this is looking good. Y dice in 3. I hope I don't lag. My camera is a little bit laggy, huh? Hey, oh, yo. Hey, why do I have two chat box? Espérate. There you go. Bro, Dark Anchor, he's not a bot, bro. He's not a bot. He seems like a bot, but he's not. Okay. Bro, imagine waking up and seeing you made $50 million this year just for riding the AI wave. Isn't that crazy? Well, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, that's exactly what happened to Nvidia's CEO. And this story is wild. Jensen Huang, the one and only, the mastermind behind Nvidia, just had his pay jump 46%, now sitting at nearly $50 million for the year. And it's not just his paycheck, guys. Nvidia's market cap just passed $3 trillion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. And you want to know why? I'm actually wondering why, guys. They're selling hundreds of thousands of AI chips to Saudi Arabia, building a monster 500 megawatt data center. AI is printing cash, and Nvidia is the printer. It is quite crazy. And Juan's net worth up from $80 billion to $120 billion in just a year. He's now 12 on Forbes billionaires list. Meanwhile, the rest of us are out here flipping crypto. Literally flipping crypto, bro. We are making beats. Doing live streams, grinding every day. So yeah, this AI wave is real. But, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, you can definitely capitalize on these opportunities. And we've been reviewing this every day. But the gap between the builders and the buyers is insane. Let me ask you this. Do you think it's fair? One dude making $50 million while the rest of us hustle 24/7? Or is he just playing the game better than anyone else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash the like if you're trying to build your own empire, whether it's in music, trading, or whatever your grind is. And don't forget, Rockstar drops May 24th. That's my moment. Now let's get yours. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Okay, that's a clip, bro. That's a beautiful clip. I'm gonna do that.
Boom shakalaka!
Boom chakalaka to you, my bro. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. We got the video, bro. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to drop a video today. Okay. Imagine waking up and seeing you made. Imagine waking up. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. And bet is not a bot, bro. These guys think that you're a bot, bro. It's not a bot. It's real, bro. He's been with me like he's an OG, bro. And he grinds, bro. Bot, bro. He grinds like crazy, bro. Let me see. Take care, Dark Anchor. Yeah, Betabot he's an OG, bro. Must be Canada not selling electric power to the US. This guy, bro, I mean, this guy is a supporter on the King David channel, you know, and he's experiencing, sadly, bro, he's from India, and India and Pakistan right now are not good, bro. The relationship between them is not good. I wonder if we're going to top out in June. Bro, usually the worst months are freaking summer, but I don't even know what's happening now. Everything is flipping, bro. Excited. Is the market open? Not yet, bro. Man, I got a lot of work today, bro. It's crazy. I need to work. But I've been grinding my freaking, bro. I'm getting tired. I need a vacation, bro. But I'm going to Colombia very soon. Voy a Colombia, bro. We're gonna be singing my songs, at least 3 songs there, for a show. I'm very excited about it. Very pumped. On June 7th, I have the show. Government is greedy. You already know it, bro. Hey, bro. Dark Anchor, have a good night, bro. I wish you the best. Betabot, take care, my bro. Always a pleasure to see you, my bro. Don't forget to check out Rockstar. May 24th, my bro. I'm just gonna wait for the market open. You never told me what to buy, my lady, bro. Oh, you're not leaving? Oh, okay. You never told me where to buy my lady, my bro. Oh, I scheduled this video. Ah, Bro, I scheduled a video for. That's crazy, man. I thought I had scheduled that video that I did yesterday for. Well, that's fine. I thought I scheduled it for yesterday. Oops. Eh. Stocks. That's crazy, bro. This Nvidia video. Put it as science and technology. Censoring your message? Crypto.com? I see. Also, you have an account there, huh? I don't have an account with Crypto.com. I guess YouTube, because you're sending a link, does limit you. If you're a moderator, then you can do it, but since you're not a mod, then you don't have the privilege to post a link. That's why. I think Crypto.com, I think they even own a stadium here. Okay, I think I'm gonna post the CEO's video today, and tomorrow we're posting the 9 a.m. tomorrow. So this one. Change this to tomorrow, 9 a.m. And this one, looking for I think we can. Not 100% sure, but so that's where you bought it. Oh, that's good, bro. Do you only invest in crypto? Do you do like stocks, or you don't? I'm just curious, bro. I think I already asked you this, but kind of like interested to know your perspective of where you are investing, bro. Not anymore. So you just do crypto. You gotten better gains with crypto? Yeah, I imagine. I've gotten better gains too in crypto, but I still do stock market because the stock market definitely for me is legit. Yeah, that's the 24/7 thing is one of the top reasons why I invest in crypto as well. Oh man, this Euro USD seems like it's gonna go pop. See, that dollar is hurting. The XY is hurting, bro. Bitcoin is doing good, bro. Bitcoin's gonna explode. Look at this. I'm actually in Jasmine. I'm still holding my Jasmine, bro. I invested in Bunk. I think Bunk can do good. Pepe, I invested in Pepe. Bitcoin is looking mighty bullish, bro. I don't need to wait for the market to open. Yeah, that's what it is, yeah. Literally. Well, you gotta time it right, though. Like, you gotta make sure you got volume. With no volume, bro, is no movement. Man, I knew this was gonna rebound here. 50 EMA. Volume is where it because here's the thing, if there's no volume, bro, it stays sideways and it's and you can make bad decisions. Not saying that you won't be making bad decisions, but it's just that it's just a little bit tougher to invest, or I mean to trade. Let's put that term, trade, because investing, right, you just buy and hold for the long term, whatever you want. But if you're like getting in, getting out, scalping maybe, then it's just gonna be very, very different. Let me get this video out. (4 p.m. Central Time). So I'm gonna release this video 4 p.m. Central Time. Will be for members only right now. Bro, you're not a member. You should become a member. So I can put you in the credits. I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna put the members. I'm gonna add them in the credits or even the description. Dímelo, Luis. What's up, my bro? Wepa. Buenos días, mi bro. Yeah. That kind of sucks. You can't use the credit card, but yeah. You should get a debit card, bro. Like for doesn't crypto.com have a debit card? Like Coinbase has a one. I think Coinbase has one. Let me look at that, bro. It's crypto.com. I want to check that out, bro. By the way, the market is gonna open in 2 minutes. See? Oh, they do have a Visa card. Let me see. So it is a credit card. Oh man, they should have like a debit card. Oh, you can do withdrawals of ATMs too. Look. But there's a limit though. $200. Oh, espérate. This is the free. Oh, free. Oh, got it. But then you get the cap, 5K per month. Interesting, bro. This is actually good. And I believe Coinbase has it too. I don't want to go to Coinbase because I'm gonna miss something. I don't wanna show you something that I shouldn't. Yeah, it was gonna show you everything. It was literally gonna show you everything. I'm not in a good spot right now. Bro, I used to have crazy positions, bro. But life happened, bro. Okay, the market opened, guys. So Coinbase, they have the cards, look. Oh, we good, bro. He has a debit card. Mira, bro. Spend cash or crypto. Use your card anywhere. Visa debit card. I should actually get one, man. I thought I had one, but maybe I lost it. I don't even know. So it's actually good. So you're gonna become your own bank. This is why I'm so frustrated a little bit. I had a lot of Bitcoin, bro. There was a time I had a lot of Bitcoin, man. Look at this. Bitcoin's doing good. It's gonna explode. It's 104,000. This is looking very bullish. The DXY, I'm just waiting for it to make more moves. Let me check out Rivian real quick. So 1457 for Rivian, pulling back. It's actually still good. We're still in profits. We went to $15 already. Let's look at SCNS, 59 cents. SCNS, bro. Third quarter. We just need that third quarter, bro. Not looking good. We had a sell signal here at 75 cents. Let me see. Nvidia is actually doing good. 2.5. Look at that. This is good. Tesla 1.7%. Bro, look at that. 339. AMD 7.1. Oh, AMD is gonna do good, bro. Nokia 520. Looking good. Looking good. Wanna see the dollar rise. Crypto and the dollar rise. You know what staking means? So I can explain it, but I want you to get it from AI, okay? So because I think I'm able to explain it, but I think will be more detailed, right? So in the world of cryptocurrency, staking means locking your digital tokens into a blockchain network to earn rewards and participate in the consensus mechanism. Similar to a fixed deposit account in traditional finance, where you earn interest by holding funds, but with the added benefit of contributing to the security and operation of a blockchain. And I'm actually doing it for Cardano, Ethereum, and I'm doing it for something else I forgot. Oh, Illuvium. So I'm actually doing it. And there's more detailed explanations, like proof of stake. Staking is primarily using cryptocurrencies that operate on a proof of stake consensus mechanism. In POS, validators are chosen to validate transactions and create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they have staked. Earning rewards. Staking allows users to earn rewards for their contributions to the network security and stability. These rewards are typically a percentage of the staked tokens. Consensus mechanism. Staking helps secure the network and ensure the transactions are properly validated. And staking pools. Some users may participate in staking pools where they combine their resources. Like in some cases, I did Illuvium and Ethereum, so I combined them. with others to increase their chances of being chosen as a validator. So there you go, a little bit of more clarity on that. Yeah, it's just like creating a CD, you know, in the bank. You don't touch it for a certain amount of time. But in Coinbase, for example, you are able to remove it after, I believe, 48 hours. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, if you're planning to hold, I think it's a good way to do it, you know? Like, I should have done that. Bro, I should have done that with my Ethereum. I had a lot of Ethereum once. I had a lot of Ethereum and I had a lot of Bitcoin. Bitcoin specifically, bro. I'm a little bit sad about it. But before this dump happened, I had like a good chunk of Bitcoin. Then I got persuaded for other businesses. Didn't happen, bro. And everything went up after that, bro. Actually here, bro, I was doing good here, bro. Very, very good. And then here, I started prioritizing my music. Because I'm like, well, if I can create a business where it makes more money, then I think it just makes sense. Because having a Bitcoin is just having a Bitcoin, you know, and it moves a certain percentage. And like for you with my lady, let's say for example that you enter Bitcoin here at I don't want to say 15,000, but maybe let's say 30,000. So you made 246%. So if you take $100 times 246%, is let's see. I forgot to. I'm so bad with math, but you can see 246% of $100 is $246. So if you're able to do in something else 1,000%, then it's way higher than buying Bitcoin. You know what I mean? And then what you do is that you can transform it into Bitcoin. But anyways, guys, let me look at the stock market heat map real quick, and I'm gonna be leaving soon as well. So the stock market, we got some green: Tesla, Nvidia, tech, not a lot. We got a few red here and there. Palantir is actually doing good. And in the crypto bubbles, we got red. Got a little bit of red, but the daily is showing us a little bit more green. Hopefully we'll see some better direction very soon, guys. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Let me say goodbye here, guys. Alright, let's see the heat maps, crypto bubbles, and futures watch. Stick around, guys. Subscribe, ring that bell, because we do this almost every day, guys. Stock market, crypto, and whatever you guys want me to review. But anyways, we do the videos con mucho amor, and as always, have a beautiful day. Go!